Oh yeah, friends, it is 8/11/2024. My two lucky numbers, 8 and 11. So let's have some fun on my money. We have how much do we have? We have $20 of free play and $20 of our own money. Let's win with free play really quick, yeah? First spin bonus. It's been so long. It's been so, wow, someone just won the grand over there behind us. It's been so long since we got a first spin bonus in this game. What is taking so long, you know what I'm saying? Keep going. No. But we'll go to our lucky 2 cents, 150 bet. You can see how much we have left down there. Do. Let's make something happen. Oh yeah, pop it. Do it. Oh, Mr. Mummy, now. You can do it now. Okay. Line hits, good sign. Well, as soon as I said that, I scared the line hit away. That was my fault, okay. Do it. Did not do it. Okay, Mr. Mummy, we need your help here. Oh, wifey just hit something big behind me. She's screaming. Oh my goodness. I wanna go. I'm gonna go see what wifey hit, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, she just hit something really big. Mr. Mummy, we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Wifey got a big hit behind us, but then we started spinning and we got free games. Tell me why. Backstreet Boys playing in the background. Bonus here. Let's make this magnificent, Mr. Mummy. Cash collect to start. It is still August 11th, our lucky day. You see? Lucky or not. Cash collect, please. No. Yeah. We didn't get anything big yet. Oh, did we get the jackpot feature or no? Person scared me. She ran to go look at our bonus. Scared me. Okay, let's go. What is this? Okay. So this was one of those famous low mummy bonuses. We get a bonus and we're so excited, and then that was the bonus. So we hear this Backstreet Boys song now. It says, I never want to hear you say, I want it none of these ways. Okay, Mr. Mummy, we're running away from you. We're gonna go play another game. We'll be right back. We'll upload some more Mummy fun when we get the next bonus. Thank you for watching. Bad Mummy. Hello, Mr. Mummy, what is it gonna be? Green, okay, no more. Oh yeah. Let's go. What day is it today? It's like August 10th. We came to play with our free play, and look what we got ourselves into. Free play of $2 left, 150. That's the lucky 2-cent denom. And what will become of this? Huh? Mr. Mummy, look at that up there. So we had like $20. We're doing a bunch of $3 bets, and then we came over here. Our first, excuse me, I wasn't concentrating, and that was why. Our first 150 bet got a haywire, which is, you know, starting to terrify me. I've never seen one of these before. Okay, we got a haywire, but what's it all for, you know? 3 spins, nothing. Now we can get 5 in this spin. Okay, one big one, but that's kind of, you know, a little deflating. But, Mr. Mummy, come on. It is the weekend, it is August. Let's have some fun. 3 at once, we believe. Okay, 3 at once. Ask and you shall receive. I don't know why he's trying to be so tricky here. You guys know that? Tell me the answer if you know why he's trying to be silly like this and terrify us. Alright, getting across with 3 extra spins. Now, 3 at once and then 3 again. Let's make magic. Okay, 2 at once is better than none at once, I'll say that much. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Let's go. Excuse me? Alright, we can do this, Mr. Mummy. If 3 happened in once and we asked super nicely, and then it happened, then 2 at once seems very feasible, right? Right. 2 at once. but not the two we were looking for. Look at this silly guy, huh? What a crazy little mummy. You know? 51, okay. I mean, it's 35 times our bet, right? Something like that. Okay. Back to back. Do it. Alright, we'll be back. Mr. Mummy, you crazy. See you soon. Look how much she just won. Wow. Nice job, demo. So we're over here, luxury line. Great game. That is what we're shooting for over here. That is what we're shooting for. This is what we're going for. That is a dream. 255 going in, and we will try our best to get it. So I think, let me see, what's the difference here? All denominations are kind of the same. Or sorry, oh no, they're not. So the minor and the mini are different. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do max bet at 1 cent and try to get something magical here. I guess let's start at the tiny one. Is the blind one? Magic little lever. Okay. So we want to get the trains on the early reels, and the magic on that last reel. So now we're at 375, sorry. Okay, here we go. Let's start getting some big wins here. We didn't see one luxury line come out, right? Okay, our bet back. See, that's what we want. We want to get the trains, and then we get that. That's really the actual goal here. Ooh. We're not seeing much action. I don't know. Okay. That's for nothing. So we have to get stuff in the, kind of like that last Buffalo game, we want to get stuff in the previous ones to get that. So we didn't get anything yet, so. Okay. Nothing there. We're not getting any situations here so far. Well, that's $8. Something? Aw. There's nothing popping up on this one. See that with that luxury line, we're getting no trains on the first things, right? Let's go to 2 cents, see what happens. Oh, come on. Last reel, come on, drop it in. Oh, so that would have been what we were, it's just the mini train, but it would have gave us the feature we were looking for. That's the first time we even saw any train, so maybe 2 cents is where that. Let's see. Okay. The arm getting tired. Something. We haven't gotten one little situation here at all. Nothing again. Let's go back to 1 cent. Okay, we got something. I think it just gives us that little bit of money. That's the first kind of situation we've gotten. So you want a train, and then you want that, and then it gives you the situation that you're looking for. So we've only seen like one train, right? I don't know. this machine seems like it's in absolute just take mode, so we might have to bail. $100 something lost. Oh, come on. It's so mean. Just in the middle of their second reel. So lame. Okay, so I think we should just go all in on it, you think? Might as well. Oh, that luxury. That luxury line is what you want with like some trains before, so. Those gems don't do anything, I guess. Over there. Wow, this is really pretty pathetic. I almost don't even want to do the last one. This is maybe the worst buffalo session I've ever had. It never even, it doesn't even have one, 50 lines, but it hasn't had one kind of situation go our way. Pretty disheartening. Sometimes it's like that though. That's not a line. No, thank you. Okay. I almost don't even want that. Save it for the train feature. Oh wow, that's pretty good. I will give us any of our money back. Okay. Of course, when we move down a bit, it does that, but it's still pretty good. There's a lot of lines in there. Just let this marinate a little bit. Give us at least half our money back so we can feel good. That's literally 50 lines right there. Keep going, don't stop. Okay, feel a lot better about staying here now, huh? A little bit. Like he's laughing. This is a luxury line. This is okay. We got all of our money back, thank goodness. Now keep going. I guess that's why you stay persistent. That's crazy. Imagine getting this in the bonus round. You would have had any other multiplier in there. That's like 60 billion zillion dollars maybe. It's gonna stop right now. Very good. Okay, we'll take that. 330. 330. Does that mean leave?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So wifey said that means. Yeah, we can do a couple. Yeah. So let's see. So she says, unless you want to do backup spins, but I think this machine is stupid. So it might be, but we just put so much through it. Let's see if it has anything else to do for us. Just a little bit left. So like 10 or 11 spins, not that much, like 17, 18 bucks. We haven't had one of the train features. Yeah, like not, they didn't even show up. Like this is what it's supposed to look like, kind of. So. See, there we go. We just need one train somewhere in there. So you can get like the grand train. So if you get the red train, that's the dream. And there's no trains. There's no trains that came to this train station once. Okay. We get $8. Is it $8? Yeah. For the $8. Do it again. Ooh. This machine is not, that line hit was absolutely miraculous. And we're just doing one more. I don't think it's gonna give any kind of bonus rounds. So it's not. So when wifey says it's time to leave, it is time to leave. We feel like we just won $1 million with that. So yeah, that is it. See you on the next one.